Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, January the 25th, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's I'm sure this one is a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 7871. And before I start, I always count the. Oh, bump the camera. Apologies. Bump the camera. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. Yeah, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That is my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 3 2s, 1 3, 3 4s, 2 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. So the 9s are in majority. Can I start with the 9? That's the question. Well. 9 6. Okay. We have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this third row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be in one of these 3 boxes. 9 in this third row. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. And now, 9 9. Cannot continue with the 9. About 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Okay. Need a 9 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be in one of these 3 boxes. Same as there. 9 in this row. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 in the second column. So no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Now I need to wait. 4 4. Okay. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. Well, here can be 6 because we have 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So the 6 in the second row could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see another 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Well. 5, 5. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1 and 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. Then, yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. Four in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place, again, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1 and 4. Alright, and now 1. Need the 8 here. And need a 2 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. That means in this column, need a 5 here. Alright. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then 2. Need 2 there. Okay. 2, 1, 3. Alright, 2, 1, 3. Yeah. 3, 8. Come on. Let me think. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing. 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. Alright. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Need a 3 here. 2, 3, 8. here. Alright. How about the number 6. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in this row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. So I need a 9 here. And I need a 9 here. That means in this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here then. Alright. And now, 8, 3, 7. Okay. Let me see. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 2, 2. 6, 6. Need a 3 here. Need an 8. And I need a 7 here. Alright. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 there. Well. 1, 7, need a 3. Need an 8 here. Well. 2, 2, 2. Let me put some numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, middle column, the only 2 places left for 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. So we need a 2 here. Okay. How about the 3? 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, or there. 3 in this column. 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. That means 1 digit left in this row. For number 1 and 2, the 3 is missing. Okay, and now need a 2, need a 8, need a 7. Well. Alright. 5, 8. I need a 7 here. Yep. I need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. Well, here can be 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there in this column. So we have 2 missing numbers now, the 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square was the 1, the 2. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, second row, so on the third row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for the amount. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and the 9. Alright. How about... Here should be also 1 and the 7. Well, we have 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and the 8. Then... yeah, 3, 7, and 6. Here's 6 here, okay. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes and there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. No. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Well, here can be a 6. We have a 6 here, and it can be a 7. So 1 digit left should be the 3. So 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 6. Alright. 7 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Final 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.